is so this is traditionally called the chasing the sun, although I call the lower half of it the sweep back because you're sweeping behind your back, right? So the left hand is coming, instead of going behind the hip, it's going under the leg and behind the hip. And what you're doing is at the bottom of the turn, you're lifting the leg, coming in toward the crotch, and then you come out underhand and then up and over. So with both hands, you're in an overhand like this, you sweep it under, up, over the top, and down. Let's try the other side. Let's do the right hand alone. Same thing, only you're lifting the right leg. So instead of just coming behind the hip and going over the head, you're going to lift the right leg, come in toward the crotch, up, over the top, and down. So your overhand, sweep it back behind the right hip, up, over the top, and down. And then if we do it with both hands, left foot's forward, you're going to lift the right leg, put the weight, so you step into the left foot, lift the right leg, pivot, turn, up, over the top, down.